This is 2017 Steel City Gold Rush. Premier Players Football. Personal box for Not So Big Papa. Thank you for the purchase, sir, and good luck. I know. I figured you're sending it while I'm doing this. Don't worry, I'll just keep them if you don't. I just won't show you until I check. Then if you decide you don't want it, I'll open it. It's probably, I mean, it should be good. These last two should be, I don't know. There wasn't like a huge banger out of the case. Not that that matters on this stuff. It's not like they have case hits or anything, but it's usually per box. Just let me know when you're ready, Pops. Got it, sir. Thank you. Good luck. Nice one. This is from 1999 Playoff Momentum. It is stamped authentic signature stargazing on card for the Dolphins. Danny Marino. Auto from 99 Playoff Momentum. Dan Marino. It is stamped there with the authentic signature. And there is the black Sharpie Auto. Dan Marino Auto. Nice card, sir. Not too shabby. This one is from Immaculate Logos. That's a pretty sick patch from 2015. Player worn rookie jersey from Immaculate, number 216. For the Oakland Raiders, rookie Amari Cooper with a sick jumbo patch out of 16. 02 of 16 on the Cooper. Nice box. Nice box, sir. Thank you. Appreciate it.